Today we are coming to you from historic Music Row in Nashville, and I'm going to talk to you about the number one question that I get asked when it comes to posting on social media. But before I do that, I want you to go right below this video and I want you to subscribe. I put out videos every Wednesday helping you navigate this crazy thing we call the music business. My name's Rick Barker, former manager of superstar Taylor Swift, host of the Music Industry Blueprint podcast. And I'm excited because people will reach out to me. I've been doing a lot of polls lately on my social media platform, and I'll ask questions like, what's the one area that you could use the most help with? And what I get so often is, Rick, I understand I need to post on social media. I just don't know what to do. Was recently talking to a friend of mine, Adam Ivy, and Adam and I we really do what we can to help independent musicians. As we talked about, there's really only three things that you have to post. We split them up into three categories. Category number one is the branding. Of course, you're in the music business. You need to talk about your music, but you can't just talk about your music. I think that's one of the mistakes that most artists make, is that they forget that it is an engagement tool. That's what social media is. It's not a marketing tool. So what are some things that you can post when it comes to your brand? Pictures, album covers. What's cool with social media now is that Spotify and Apple make it real easy to even share your music in IG stories, Twitter, Facebook posts. So the brand stuff, first and foremost, you need to get it out there that you're an artist. You can also go live and play shows. So that's what we like in the brand department. The second thing is that people need to get to know you. As of today, they no longer have to pay for your music. When they're investing in you. So what is it that you're going to want to show them? Your personality. Maybe take them behind the scenes of you in the studio. Now you're having like the double whammy there, because you're showing them your personality in the studio, but you're also showing them that you're a musician. If you're into a sporting event, sporting team, share things like that across there. If you have certain hobbies that you like, share those hobbies. If you're out skateboarding or surfing or whatever it is that you're doing, show them that you're human, that you're not just a musician talking about yourself all the time. The third thing you need to realize is that you need to understand what it is that your audience is also into. Okay, you want to talk about them, whether it be movies that you guys are watching or activities that you think they're into or books that you've been reading. Share things that make them laugh. Share things that are going to allow them to get to know your personality as much as you getting to know theirs. Below this video, down in the comments, I would love for you to tell me some of the things that have worked for you. It's super important. The fourth thing, I told you I was only going to really bring up three, but the fourth thing is that you need to be consistent on a day-to-day basis. Show up to work every single day. All right, so let's recap. You're going to take care of the branding, the personal stuff, and the stuff that's going on about them. Another thing that you can do too that I think is great with the branding is also lyrics of your songs on top of images, especially if they're your images. Let's say people have taken a couple pictures of you. You can throw lyrics, then you can guide people to go see your music and hear your music there as well. Do me a favor, if you found this helpful, I would love to get a like from you. I would also love for you to click on the bell below to get notifications. Subscribe to this video. Like I told you before, I put them out every single Wednesday. Also too, in the comments, if there's a subject that you would like me to cover or something that you think could benefit you, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to do that, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Ciao.